Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope everybody's having an amazing day. The first thing I want to say is I got a new Confidence in a Cream. I love this. I was introduced to this in December of 2018, I believe, from BoxyCharm. Sue from Glam Goat sent this to me. I was absolutely surprised when I checked the mail and it was in there, so which is great because I just started doing a empties container, that little wire basket over there. I started collecting my empties. I did that before and it never just never went anywhere, so we'll see how long it goes. But thank you, Sue, very, very much. I did also send Sue a little goodie box from our little collab that we did for her. The next thing is I went to TJ Maxx for the first time since it reopened here today. And I wanted to show y'all what I got. So from TJ Maxx, I got the Laura Geller Brush Cleansing Spray. Now I used the Equate Spray Brush Cleaner for the longest time, and they quit making this. So anything that I can find that's a spray and not a foam. Hold on one second, guys. Gotta take the bottle away from Chloe. Plastic bottles are great toys, but they're so loud. So we went and got our soft toy. Anyway, the Laura Geller Brush Cleaning Spray for that on the go. If you just washed your brushes and you only used 4 or 5, this is an amazing product to have, and I paid $4.99 for it, which I'm okay with. The next thing I got was the Buxom Full-On Plumping Lip Polish in the color Sophia. I actually like this color, and it was $5.99. I do love Buxom. I'm almost out of my lip gloss, so a lipstick was pretty cool to find, and I do like the color. I have already tried this. Then I got just a writing pad because we all use them. It's just got little lipsticks and says to do, and I paid $2.99 for it. And then I got some of the little clippy barrettes that are such a popular thing right now. I have a wedding to go to on August 1st, and I thought this one would be very pretty with the dress that I bought today, which I will show y'all that. Get ready with me. These were $7.99. And these are heavy. They are weighted. The ones that we got from my first Macy's box, these, while they're pretty, they're very light. These are very weighted. So I can't wait to try these out and see what I think. Then I went to Walmart and got just some stick-on stars. I have a look coming up that I want to use these with. And I finally went out and bought one of the bite-size eyeshadows from e.l.f. I got mine in the color Rose Water so that Samantha can use it too. I had stayed off that train of buying those, but I finally bought one. Then me and Samantha are going to try the self-tanning at home thing again. And we are going to go with the Soul by Jergens in medium water mousse with the 2 mitts. So we'll see how that goes. Pray for us. Okay, now from the Dollar Tree and probably some Walmart in here. These have been sitting. Those are from today. So the first thing is Bolero. I use a lot of their makeup wipes. I'm sure I've showed them before, but they have started coming out with, this is the Hydrating Concentrated Elixir in Rose Oil. Then I got the Hydrating Milk Serum Avocado Oil for acne prone skin. Both for $1. They have a vitamin C brightening one. They have another one too. Then the Dollar Tree had a new kind of makeup remover. They are from Bolero also, but they are not like the ones that I've been using. These are those. They are a 3-in-1. These each have a different do for them. This is the cucumber water. It's a hydrating facial wipe. Bamboo water, nourishing facial wipes. Pink cactus water, soothing facial wipes. Coconut water, moisturizing facial wipes. And then rose water for sensitive skin for my little Samantha. So these are $1 a piece for 32 of them. I buy a count of 10, usually once a month, and that's how I do mine. Then they had the Jelly Nutrient Mist in Fresh Avocado and one in Banana Blast. They look like they have some sparkle to them. I have not tried these yet. I am excited to. Then I got the CoverGirl True Blend Undercover Concealer in the color. I'm not going to be able to tell y'all because I don't have my contacts in. Anyway, next time I use this, I will let you know what color it is. But I haven't tried that, so I want to. Then I got the Warm Vanilla in the Believe Beauty from Dollar General. I got the CoverGirl True Blend Matte Made M70 72 Hour in the color Sand Beige. Then I finally opened my MAC lip gloss. I'm going to be trying that out. Then in the charm room, I ordered the It Cosmetics Your Lips But Better All Day Waterproof Lip Liner in the color Pretty in Pink. This is a very pretty lip liner. Y'all know I adore my lip liners. Some people are against them. Some people are for them. I am a for them person. That is that color. And then I got one of the NYX Shimmer Down Pigment in the color Salmon. It's a very, very pretty color. I actually sent this to a friend. I got 2 of these and sent her one too. So that is what that looks like. It really is a pretty color. I like it. So that's all of my new things that I wanted to introduce y'all to or tell you about. I don't know how many of you shop at the Dollar Tree, but for makeup wipes, I always shop there. It just makes the most sense to me. We do have our Walmart box in. I will be recording that. I have gone through and did some panning projects that I want to get through. That will be a new thing. Till next time, that's it. Stay beautiful. Bye, guys.